This video will show you how to set up a Google spreadsheet to create a ladder for ArcGIS Online. It's a relatively simple process. First, you should go to a folder that you have someplace or create a folder. I'm going to put this in the GeoFest folder for 2021. You can see I've already got a couple in here, but this is an example. You go up to New, click on that and go down to Google Sheets, create and share. And the first thing you should do is give your spreadsheet a title, whatever it is that you're actually going to try and map. And this would apply if students are doing this as well. So I'm just, for the sake of this, going to say this is a sample layer. So that's step one. Step two, we need to freeze the top row because these are going to be our category row headings. So in order to do that, I go to the View menu, I click on it, I go down to Freeze, and I go to one row and click on that. So now my top row is frozen. So the next thing you're going to have to do is add headings for this. So I'm just going to keep this real simple. My first heading will be place. And then the two categories you're absolutely going to have are latitude and longitude. And it has to be spelled correctly. And longitude. So at this point, you are ready to begin adding information to your spreadsheet. So I'm just going to do one as an example here, and then you can go to the spreadsheet that is set up for this session. So I'm going to put a place marker for my hometown, which is Faribault, Minnesota. In order to get that, I need to go to a map. So I'm going to go to a map that it's already been created. And for you, you would be obviously, once you get ready, you would do this one. I'm going to turn these layers off. So how do I find the latitude and longitude of a place? The simplest way to do it is to, first of all, just type in the name of the location. So I'm going to type in Faribault. And it will zoom me into this point. I'm going to click this pop-up shut. But now I have to get the actual latitude and longitude. I go up and find the measure tool. I click on it. I have three choices. This one is for the area. This one is to show distance between places. And this one is to show the location. So I click on this one. And as we see right now, once my cursor is on the map, the latitude and longitude numbers change as my arrow moves around. I go right in front of the word Faribault and I click. It places a little marker there. And that marker is this exact location right here. So if I carefully get ready to copy those two numbers, I'll just copy them. I am going to go back to my sample spreadsheet, which is right here. And I am going to paste. And as you can see, both the latitude and the longitude got pasted in correctly for Faribault. And what we're going to do eventually is learn how to add images and other things as categories here. But this is the simple way to set up your spreadsheet. I hope this has been helpful, and good luck in setting up your first spreadsheet.